What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is Dr. Hamistech, and today we got a really fun and interesting product over here from TVCMall, and this is an e-ink phone case over here, especially for the S24 Ultra, but of course you can get it for different models because I will leave all the links up above and also down below for you guys to check them out. And of course, in today's video, what we're going to do is first go through the main key specs and features and why I think this is a really very fun phone case for you guys out there. So yes, without further ado, let's just check this out. Very nice and simple packaging over here, nothing too fancy. And what we have inside here straight on is, of course, the QR code for you to download the app to use this phone case with. And here we do have the phone case. So I've been using this for about a week already. And like I mentioned before, I am using it with, of course, my S24 Ultra over here. So what I like about this, first of all, is that with a phone case like this, it does give you very good protection, which I absolutely do like. And I have taken out the phone case from the phone many times before, but it still fits in really nice. Doesn't really get all loosey-goosey. And as you can see here, it does give you some nice protection in terms of the front bumper cover over here, and some nice camera protection here as well. It's all raised over here, so you don't have to worry in case if you drop it on the floor. And of course, it does give you very good over here. And this is the thing we're going to check out in a little bit. So overall, it does give you good access to all your main stuff over here. Nice, clean cut all around. And in terms of the buttons over here, very tactile, very easy, and very nice to press in terms of this. And of course, the main thing that we want to talk about here is the e-ink NFC thing that we have over here, the nice cool feature. So as you can tell, I already have put in my own image over here, and you can do it so with the apps over here. So you need to go download this case connection. Make sure your NFC is all turned on. So I just want to turn this on over here, and straight away you can use your phone case with this. So you can of course go to your gallery, which I will talk about in a little bit, but you have some nice pre-installed images over here, which is all really fun to go. So for instance, you have your cartoon images. So just say if you just want to use this photo over here, you can of course do some adjustments to the color or whatsoever. Go on to this, you can resize it as much as you want because you can move it all around. And you have your black and white, you have your exquisite, or you can have your normal, less grainy image. But for some reason, it always comes out with the grain image over here. Once you are done, just click on this. It will connect to the NFC. And slowly, this thing wouldn't be magically changing. So give it some time over here. Boom! Magic. So it does look really cool with the animations and stuff. So here we have a nice, very clear picture over here. So really cool. Again, like I mentioned before, it does have that grainy image over here. Not too sure how to actually remove it. So if in case if I get a clean image over here, again, I try to short screen. Let's see if it works. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, depending on the image that you do want to put up. So this is again another thing that I have noticed is that when you of course do it too fast, that is one thing you want to get. So give it some time to actually kind of refresh. Okay, it looks like it's going to be magically appearing. So this again is the image. So yes, you still get some of the grain kind of texture or filter to it, but it still looks really nice. So again, when we go on to your gallery, because I think a lot of you guys want to see if it works with your gallery, so you can go to your photos, it will load it up, and of course you can choose which ones you want, the albums that you do have here. So just for instance, just say I want to get this image over here and make it into my wallpaper. This one you can see there's a lot of background here, so you might want to get a more cleaner image compared to this, which does have a lot of details. We're going to test it out anyway. So again, like I mentioned before, you can actually rotate it or do some color adjustments or whatsoever. And then we go on to the next part. Try to get this image over here. Short screen. So it's like you want to put your photo into that Polaroid, and this is how it comes out. Would you look at that? Really, really good amount of details. A bit of grain here and there, but I would say it still looks pretty cool. So in case if you want to put your phone number there or whatsoever, your wife's photo, your girlfriend's photo, your boyfriend's photo, you can do it so with this phone case. Really, really fun product. And again, as a phone case itself, it does give you very, very good protection. So it's very, very usable. And of course, I really do like it a lot. Very nice and easy to grip. So let me know what you guys think about this phone case in the comment section down below. And again, check out all the links I have left all the way down below for you guys to check them out. If you guys enjoyed the video, do click the like and smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one.